Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello and welcome to this video solution of numerate. Here it's given that the spin cycle of a washing machine have two angular speeds. Right, you have got omega 1 that is equal to 423 revolutions per minute, and there is omega 2 that is 640 revolutions per minute. Right, the internal diameter of the drum is smaller, let's say, which is 0.47 meters. Now you have to calculate the ratio of the maximum radial force on the laundry for the higher angular speed to that of the lower angular speed, right? Or FR1 over FR2 you need to calculate. uh, Higher angular speed, sorry, FR2 over FR1, right? So this will be equal to m omega 2 square times r over m omega 1 square by times r, right? So the radial forces you have considered, so it will be 640 by 432 423, sorry, whole squared, right? So let's see what how much we have here. 2.29 will be the ratio. Next B is what is the ratio of the maximum tangential speed for the laundry for the highest angular speed to that of the lower angular speed. So V2 by V1, right? So it's R omega 2 over R omega 1, right? So it's 640 over 423. It's around 1.5, you can say. Next C is you have to find the laundry's maximum tangential speed. So V2 you need to find, which is R omega 2. Now here you have to be a bit cautious. R is 0.47 times omega 2 you need to calculate in radians, right? Which is 2 pi by 60 times of 640. This will be in radians per second, right? So this is around 67, you can write radians per second. So here 0.47 times 67 meters per second will be your answer. So it's 31.5, you can write. Meters per second is the maximum velocity. Next is the maximum radial acceleration, right? So F2 is the maximum radial acceleration, which is m omega 2 square times r, right? Mass is sorry, acceleration, right? Not the force. So a 2r, which is omega square r, right? Or this is omega is 67 square, omega 2 square times r is 0.47, right? This will be in radians per second square. 2109.4 radians per second square is the answer, right? I hope this is clear to you and have a very good rest of the day. Thank you.